Hi all, just a quick video on how to change these bonnet struts. So if your bonnet's not staying up like mine, you can see it doesn't stay up, unfortunately. It's these struts just over here. Luckily for me, on this Hyundai I've got this air intake to hold it up, which maybe they knew what they were doing with these struts, so expecting it to stay. But these struts here, they basically have failed in my car, and just want to measure them up to start with. So this is the bottom, it'll go in there, and then the top will go in here. This literally just slides into there. It's a very straightforward sort of maintenance thing, and you just want to take out from there. Literally, there's that clip on the back. You take that off, and one over here, unclip it, and take the old ones out and put the new ones in. There you go. Literally, it's come off just like that. Second one here. So there's the old one off. You can see, literally, they slot straight onto the. See, on this one, I've taken the clips sort of the off position, and then there you go, and that is now nice and firm in place. These have a sort of a little screw mechanism in them as well, so I've made sure those are quite tight. And then on this one, I didn't actually take the clip off. I'm just going to try and push it straight on, but I've got to lift the bonnet a little bit, so give me a second. And there you go. Now with just even one under, as you can see, what I was using to hold it up is no longer in place, and I've literally just clipped this on, and it's in place. And we'll do the same for the other side. I would also just suggest putting a little bit of grease or something in there. There you go, clips on, and then again tighten it nice and tight. This one is a little bit off, so I've one turn back. So this, if you can see it over here, that's the slot to go in. So you twist it a little bit, and then again, it's not lining up as it should, so we'll push this up a little bit. Let's see if I can just use my head. And there you are. Literally as simple as that. And now, there we go. Nice little fix. And these are quite universal fit, to be honest. They're fairly straightforward, nothing too complicated to it. And now it should, oh yeah, that feels a lot more firm, and it's bouncing up on its own as well. You can see before I never had this. Nice and firm, secure. That's exactly what I needed. But yeah, nice short quick video just for that. Thanks for watching.